All right, welcome back, my dear students. So I opened up middleware, and that's where I want you to be because that's where we're going to be learning about sessions. And I have gone to home controller and I have inserted requests in this request variable. So when you go to home controller, you're going to find this method empty like this, all right? These parameters, all right? So insert request in the request variable, all right? We're gonna do some dependent, so in some injection there. Cool. All right, so the way that we're gonna access our sessions, or the way we're gonna create them or set them, is by using the one of these ways is by using the request. So we could say request session because that's a method of that class, and now we can set it. And I'm gonna set this one. I'm gonna say Edwin, and I'm gonna give it a value of instructor. All right, or let's give it a little better value, master instructor. All right, cool. So let's go to our home / home. All right, enter. All right, it's gonna take us there because we cannot be there unless we are logged in. But as a matter of fact, yeah, that's fine. Let's log in. That's okay. We'll log in. All right, enter. There we go. All right, so now automatically we have set a session and return the view. So let's actually make all this blank and return and read it. All right, so we're gonna read it now. So we're gonna follow the CRUD, create, read, update, and delete. All right, so let's read it now. So I'm gonna comment this out and I'm going to read it. So we're gonna access this again, session, and we're gonna use another method called get, and we're gonna get Edwin. I'm going to access this by the key. I'm going to echo it out right away. All right, cool. So all right then. All right. That should have gave me the, unless I have this backwards, that should have gave me the value of it because I gave it a key of Edwin here. Request session. If I give it a value, it's not going to give me the key. That's not going to happen. Nope. Nope. I was right. I'm correct actually. But for some reason, let's see something else. Let's return all of them. Request session, and let's return all sessions. All right, and let's see what's going on. All right, as you can see, it has not been set. These sessions are done automatically. All right, you see our login web here. We have our talking here as well. All right, so we got some sessions going on. We have our login system sessions that are already set with the talking, with the remember me functionality. But anyway, so our session was not set here, and the reason why this is not set is because we can't set it like this. We need to use the put method. All right, so oops, my bad, guys. It's a lot of stuff to remember, guys. A lot of stuff. Plus, I don't use this much unless I'm really building something with, you know, a lot of stuff. But anyway, as you can see there, it was set. All right, cool. So the reason why I forgot to use the put is because we also have a session, a global function that we use called session. All right, without this, like this. All right, I'll show you right now. Peter, and this is the one that I use most of the time. Student. Okay, but like this. There we go. It's easier, as you can see. Peter, student. Okay, so this is a global function is available all over the place. You don't have to have the request to use this one. So that's why most of the time I use this one. All right. All right, cool. So in this lecture here, you learn how to, and let me just fix it really cool for you guys. We can get that, and we can use this one here for to put. All right, guys. So in this lecture, you learn how to create sessions, right, and how to read them. All right, and also how to debug them, just in case for some reason you didn't set it correctly. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next lecture where we're going to be learning a little bit more about sessions.